Is my content good?
Your content is pretty good. It's original. I would 100% switch to more in-depth tweaking/debloating tutorials like my videos. Those vids will help with growth. Quality's great though.
Review my video.
The quality is great.
How's my video?
Video quality is top-notch, and it is very entertaining.
New vid out.
Excellent. 10 out of 10. Quality content as always.
Mind giving feedback on my video?
Yeah man, bet. The best quality guide content I've watched in a while.
Check out my video.
YouTube Shorts a voice. Great quality though.
Hey there. Not so long ago, I uploaded a video about Adobe Premiere Pro preferences and export settings you should use to get the best quality but did not tell how to record your videos in the best quality. Well, in this video, I will be telling you the best settings for OBS Studio to record your videos in 1080p 60 fps without any lag or stuttering. Firstly, open up OBS Studio and head to Settings. In Settings, go to the Output menu and click the Recording tab. I can't change the settings since I'm recording, so I'll just tell you what to do. Let the type be standard and set the recording format to hybrid MP4 so you don't lose the footage if your system crashes while recording. Set the video encoder to X264 and let everything else below remain the same. Now, in the encoder settings, set rate control to CBR so your video quality remains constant throughout the video. Set bitrate to 12,000 kbps, but if your recording lags, set it to 9,000 kbps. Set keyframe interval to 2 seconds. CPU usage preset to medium or below medium if your PC can handle it. Set the profile to high and tune to film. Head to the Audio tab and set all the audio bitrates to 320. Go to the Audio menu and set the sample rate to 48 kHz. In the Video menu, if you have a 1080p quality monitor, then put 1920 by 1080 resolution in both base and output resolutions. But if you have a 720p monitor like me and want to record in 1080p, then put 1280 by 720 in base resolution and 1920 by 1080 in output resolution and set downscale filter to Lanczos. Set FPS to 30 if you've set the bitrate to 9000 kbps and 60 if you've set it to 12,000 kbps. Go to the Hotkeys menu and set whatever hotkey you like to start and stop recording. Finally, go to the Advanced menu and let process priority be normal. You may think increasing it will result in smoother video, but trust me, it will just make things worse. What you want to do here is set the color range to full so the colors in your video look clear. There's another thing you can do to make sure your videos don't stutter. Simply right-click on the preview and deselect Enable Preview. As you can see, just doing this decreases my CPU usage. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any suggestions or ideas for my future videos, do let me know in the comments. Until then, peace.